Welcome to our video demonstration on how to effectively use the Miracle-Gro Garden Feeder. Are you ready to take your gardening to the next level and achieve stunning results? Then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you how to assemble, adjust, and use the Miracle-Gro Garden Feeder to nourish your plants and promote healthy growth. I'll show you how to determine when the Miracle-Gro is being dispensed and when it is depleted. Please don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. This is the Miracle-Gro Garden Feeder. Unscrew the top and remove the plastic covering. Then screw the top back on. It is pre-filled with the correct amount of Miracle-Gro to cover 500 square feet. For future applications, you can purchase Miracle-Gro with bags containing the right amount of Miracle-Gro to refill the feeder. Screw on the garden hose, ensuring it is secure and tight. Adjust the feeder settings. Set the dial or knob on the sprayer head to the recommended setting based on the feeding instructions provided with the Miracle-Gro plant food, or to your preference. It has 3 spray settings: shower, jet, and stream. I prefer the shower setting. It has a lock function on the top. Slide it to the lock position to continue spraying without the need to hold the trigger. Determine an area to spray that is as close to 500 square feet as possible. My backyard is around 600 square feet, however I am using only 1 container of Miracle-Gro to make sure that I don't overfeed the lawn. At the start, it will take a few seconds for the Miracle-Gro to mix with the water and start coming out. You will know when the Miracle-Gro is coming out when the spray has a bluish tint to it. Lightly spray the entire area, from one side to the other. When you've covered the entire area, then start at the beginning and spray it again. Repeat this step until all of the Miracle-Gro in the canister is used up. Depending on the water pressure in your hose, this would take somewhere around 12 to 15 minutes. Miracle-Gro water-soluble all-purpose plant food instantly feeds lawns, vegetables, trees, shrubs, and houseplants to grow bigger and more beautiful than unfed plants. Simply feed them every 1 to 2 weeks. I'll show you how you will know when the Miracle-Gro is empty. To speed things up, I'll time-lapse the video from here. You will notice a change in the color of the water being dispensed. When the Miracle-Gro is depleted, the water will return to its normal clear or transparent color, indicating that the plant food is no longer being distributed. Going by the time and the color of the water, I'm almost done. Now the water is almost transparent in color. This container of Miracle-Gro is pretty much depleted. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to keep up with the latest videos. Thank you.